He lived the east side of town. Ugly hatred filled his frown. He adored children in many ways. Some might say he's not okay. Wanted man on the loose, victims hanged with his noose. But one that haunts me still today is the one that with the elevator stays. With dark shadows across his face, he runs up the stairs and there waits. For when you come, he stares at you, a smile on his face as he comes for you. But before he detaches all your limbs, he never forgets to eat your skin. With limbs detached and skin ripped off, the bloody body lies to rot.
The prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of apples with a kiss of a tree to wish to Bonnie and Ben. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well, a sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Wait, you forgot your bag.
Oh, thanks.
No problem, man.
A stormy night, with dreadful December, he watched his victims, happy as ever. Though innocent he may look, do not look away. It might be your last day. The cravings for flesh have risen again. Where will we strike? The elevator. Again?
A loud-pitched peeing was heard again, so were the calls for help, but they became weaker and weaker, only to suddenly stop. After that, for the ones who listened, you could hear a quiet eating sound. The cravings for flesh had disappeared for now, but his appetite would soon rise as the days would pass on. Is he real? Is he fake? Do you really want to know? The elevator. Why the elevator? Nobody knows. Nobody will ever know. He is still on the loose, hanging victims with his noose. But the one that stays forever with me is the story of Andrew and the man called me. It's funny how the world works. We live under the certainty that we choose to do the right thing, choose to make the right decisions, and choose to be the right person, seeking affection and approval from others, when you know, deep down, under the mask of bullshit, you're just an imposterous individual in a distortion we call reality, stuck in a generation where loyalty is just a tattoo, love is just a quote, and lying is a new truth. Madness, as you may know, is a lot like gravity. All it takes is a little push.